I am very fortunate. I deeply feel that God Himself is gracious to me. Everything that is happening in my life is for my best tomorrow. Happiness is naturally increasing in my life every day, every moment. There's a beautiful flow of peace, love, and positive energy around me. I am completely healthy from within. I am confident. I am beautiful from inside and out. The entire universe is working in my favor. Every day brings new opportunities for me, and I accept them with ease. Success follows me wherever I step on sight. Wealth, prosperity, and happiness are attracted to me from all directions. My honor and respect are increasing every day, woman. I am grateful because I have everything, and everything I need is coming to me at the right time. I have God's infinite grace upon me. Every true and good wish of mine is being fulfilled. Every moment I feel the gentle energy of God's blessings. I am truly very fortunate, and everything is going very well for me. I thank from the bottom of my heart God's grace and protection also extend to my family. All of us souls are happy, healthy, and prosperous. We are achieving success at every step because God Himself is with us. His powers, His qualities are giving direction and light to our lives. I have compassion and respect for every soul. I offer my heartfelt blessings to everyone. May everyone be well. May everyone be happy. May peace and love spread throughout the world.